excellent job.
Much to Champion, right, for doing such a great job on my water heater. They did an excellent job from the beginning to the end. Installation was quick, and the guys are amazing. You gotta use them. Listen to me.
Gracias, señor.
You're welcome.
It was quick and courteous and with a great price. I'd recommend them to anyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And everything turns out great. Wonderful plumbing service.
Thank you, Marty. Thanks.
I can't say enough about these guys. I tell you, didn't really know these guys. They come in. I was a little bit apprehensive, but one thing, these boys work hard, and hey, if you're satisfied, my wife, then these guys did a great job. I'd recommend them to anyone.
I've used them many times, and I've always been very happy with their service.
Wonderful. Thank you, Ann. Appreciate that.
Very professional work. Everything done perfect to code. No problems. A lot of work to happen in one day, and they're already done and packing up, and highly recommend.
Give us a call.